Hello everyone, this is Tracy and I'm super excited to join in the celebration of the 69th birthday of my father, our father, Reverend Kiluba. What Kiluba? I'm joining in the challenge Pastor Kiluba once said. Number one, receiving Jesus is not just a matter of salvation, it's about honor. Number two, the Samaritan woman produced revival. I would love that the sisters in the world should produce revival by the voice of revival. Number three, you will become according to the heavenly gift. Oh, what a blessed well of teachings that we have in our Father. And our prayer is that these teachings may reach the whole earth. I love you, my Father, and I'm serious about it. Happy birthday!